Teamwork Project Management Review. Today we're going to dive into Teamwork Project. We want to know what makes it tick. We want to know all of its features, all of its benefits, and why you should actually be using it today. So without further ado, let's get dying. Alright, so what a great name for project management, teamwork.com. So Teamwork offers flexible tools to organize projects that fit your specific workflow. You can actually choose from lists, tables, Kanbans, or Gantt views for full visibility. You can create, assign, and prioritize tasks easily with detailed controls. You can set due dates and add file attachments. You can use subtasks, dependencies, and reoccurring tasks. You can track time and get reminders, and you can break complex work into manageable pieces to meet deadlines reliably. One of the other things is their resource management. You can see your team's availability and workload at a glance. You can predict resource needs for better project planning, and you can avoid burnout by balancing tasks with capacity data. This is awesome. You get team collaboration, direct messaging, task commenting, and mentions that keep teams in sync in real time. You can store and share files within task context for easy access, and all project data and conversations are kept in one centralized place. One or two of the drawbacks is their agency-centric design. So they're optimized for marketing agencies specifically, which is less ideal for other industries. Also, workflows focus on client service, limiting flexibility anywhere else. If you are working with large projects, it may actually slow your system performance, and there's no enforced two-factor authentication, which is a security risk. And there you go. There is a review of Teamwork. If you enjoyed this video, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Peace.